The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Drive Belt Tensioner Assembly is a top-quality replacement component designed to keep your GM vehicle's serpentine belt at the correct tension, ensuring proper function and smooth operation. Specifically engineered for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac vehicles, this tensioner assembly offers the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. With a spring-loaded pulley, it applies the correct tension to the drive belt, preventing slippage and wear, and contributing to the overall longevity of the engine components. GM engineers design and validate these OE parts specifically for your vehicle, using the latest materials and technologies. Each part is rigorously tested to meet GM's high standards, so you can rest assured it will provide optimal performance. Plus, GM regularly updates production and service part designs to integrate the latest innovations. If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective solution for your GM vehicle, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Drive Belt Tensioner Assembly is the perfect choice. Installation is straightforward, and it's backed by GM's trusted reputation for high-quality, long-lasting parts. Customer review. Perfect fit for my 2013 Chevy Cruze. Another wonderful design by Chevy in which you have to remove engine mount and support the engine just to replace the serpentine belt. To ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle, be sure to check compatibility and make the necessary selections. Click the link in the description to buy this essential replacement part, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more product insights.